currently in New York City. We've just come off the plane at LaGuardia. We landed nice and early, no problems with the cab. And so we're now at the hotel. It's the Hilton Garden Inn, just off Times Square. Literally, I can see out the window where the ball drops for New Year's Eve. So I'm just going to do a quick room review. We are on the 21st floor. So you come in through the front door. Obviously, it's a queen room. It's a good size for New York for sure. It smells fresh, it's clean. We have a really nice, good sized bathroom actually. Has everything you need, including toiletries, soaps, all that stuff. Nice bath and shower combo. That's nice. Can't wait to have a shower actually. And then welcome to the room. You see that the room is great. We have lots of storage. They actually let us in. I mean, as I'm filming this, it is 10:45 in the morning. Mel has status with Hilton, so she's diamond, so we were able to come straight into our room, which makes things easier. Drop our bags and go off exploring shortly, but I thought I'd just do this quickly. You say queen bed? Probably nice and soft. Let's have a little. Yeah, that feels good. That feels good. And then we have, you know, the usual desk, chair, drawers. I'm sure there is probably a safe behind here. Oh no, look, there's a microwave. It's not a safe. Coffee making machine correct there. And then we are literally here for one night. Oh, there's the safe. Perfect. And yeah, so then our little view. It's very nice. It's a little misty, murky out there today, but we have this view here. I think Times Square is just over here, so we should be able to walk out there shortly.